And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. In a land not too far away, there was once a little girl with the beauty of princess, born on October 27. And this girl is the first or the oldest.
Thank you sa sinyang kabinyo na kami ginawang mag-celebrate sa birthday nito.
To offer another flower to Trixie. Assuming na nag-music. Smile lang po yan. Nawaya siya siguro. Hindi yan ang pula. It's a sunflower. Diba? At diba nga, yung mga apo nga gwapa.
So,
happy birthday, Tracy. Sorry, Gil, kaya hindi ko maka-attend. Puro mo.
sakay kay Ibe, kailangan ng taon si Ibe ka kay Galaway ka. Ano ka, kurot na ko. Dapat smile ka lang kay kailangan simula taon niya sa nag-Ibe. Dapat, ano ka lang, enjoy mo lang life mo. Tapos ako, chill lang. Yo! Our mabagsik na dancer. Kaya parang may problema ka, kung wala ka sa masuliran, ara lang kami tiri mga pinsan mo, mag-run ka lang, and we will listen.
To someone so amazing, and I know this is just the beginning of your incredible journey. Keep shining, keep dreaming, and most important, keep being you.
Ano doon ka saan unawan? Ay, pero magsinadyan, maghirapan na naman, tapos mag-inaway na naman, tapos magsinadyan.
Person I've ever met. Even though sometimes, chilan ko, masanggan nila, like, ginatry mo naman, ginagive na one, and you are the kindest person na na-met ko man. And I hope that whatever challenges you face in life, you will conquer it with a head high and with a bright smile. And I hope that you will always be happy, peaceful, mentally and emotionally.
Legal age ka na gid man. So, gamay na lang sa atin ng friendship ang wala pag naka-18. So, I'm really thankful.
Kapag ko lang galing nung, sorry kay wala ko naka-white or beige, kay uli ko na binawal, so na-late ko sa, so,
Crucial step into adulthood is celebrate patience and love, setting an example for your sibling. Come to the legal age and enjoy your days, celebrating and kind to others. Others to you to become success in your life. Once again,
Short, but yung talagang kailangan din i-trust. Wait, unahin na po natin yung mga senior citizen. Okay. Nanay, kayo po mauna your message for Trexie.
Trixie, happy birthday!
O, diba? Short lang. Sige. Sabay-sabay nyo na po. Bibigay mamaya yung hawak-hawak nyo po. Okay. Nay, message po for Trexie.
Hello, Trexie. This is the second time na nag-attend ako ng birthday mo, no? And pero, I always follow up ang iyong mga sa FB. Kaya nakita ko ang pagbati mo, ang mga talents mo. Kaya, I appreciate. Sana, follow your studies, maging good girl, graduate, tapos maging proud ang mga parents mo para sa iyo. I love you, Trexie.
Thank you, ma'am. Talagang pinaghandaan talaga ni ma'am. Ang ganda ng outfit. Passionista si ma'am. Thank you very much. Ma'am, clean your message.
mayong gabi sa tanan sa family sa because if you do that, you will always bless. Once again, happy 18th birthday and enjoy your legality life. Happy birthday, Trexie.
Thank you, ma'am. Colleen, ma'am, your message, please.
Happy 18th birthday, Trixie. Good health, God bless, enjoy your day. Continue your studies.
Ng decisions. Happy birthday.
Thank you, ma'am. At this time, let's hear from mom your message for Trexie.